Hello guys, in this tutorial what we're gonna do is we'll try to fix this error. So this error came up when I tried to install the Laravel framework, and this is in a Windows 10 and the server is a Wamp server. Yeah, so I have tried to install it, and when I access the browser I get this error. So I will try to show you how we can fix this error, because I've tried, if you go to search in internet, and there is an option to use the composer install and then composer update. So with this, in some cases you can fix the problem, but in my case seems like this is not the right solution. So maybe you have the same situation, but the same problem as me, and it's more than just do the composer install. So let's see how I have done and I have fixed that. First of all, let's open a git bash and just see if the composer is installed. So type composer and press enter, and now we can scroll up and see that the composer is correctly installed. So next step is let's try composer install and press enter. So this will install all the dependencies which are in the composer.json file. Yeah. If we refresh the browser now, you can see it's still the same. There is no fixing for this error by using just composer install. I will try composer update as well. If I press enter now, this will try to update all the dependencies they are on the composer.json. So let's refresh the browser again, and as you can see it's still the same, so the problem is not fixed. This is a virtual host for my project. So if I go to my folder, the folder where I got the projects, here are the folders for this project. So as you can see, there is no vendor projects because their errors mention something about the vendor autoload. So let's open a git bash and see the PHP version. In my case, as you can see, it's version 5. I will open a command prompt from Windows as well, just to make sure it's the same, and just type PHP version, and this will show, in my case, is 5.6.40. So if I open the Wamp settings here, if you go to the PHP versions, as you can see, the PHP version 7 is, but it's different than in the console. So how can I fix that? I need to go to the left bottom corner and just type environment, and we need to open the system environment variables. So this pop-up will come up, and should click to this button, which is the environment variables, and once we click that, another pop-up is coming up, and we need to edit this path. Yeah, so once we double click on this path, and here we have the PHP 5.6.40 already there. Yeah, and we just need to replace that. So we need to add a PHP 7. We need to go to the Wamp server in Wamp. Then we need to go to bin PHP, and here in the PHP folder we have the versions. So we need to select the PHP 7. In my case is 7.3.12, and just copy that path and paste it in the place of the one which is 5. Yeah, so copy that path, double click on here and paste that route, and then press OK, and close that window. Then okay, now once we got this, we need to close our shell git bash and command line and open it again. And once it's opened, let's try PHP version again, and now we should be able to see the right version, which is 7. Yeah, as you can see, this is done now. Let's see, leave this open, and let's try. First of all, we need to go to the folder of the project. If we don't have the composer global installed, we need to go to the folder where the project is, and inside of this project we need to run composer install. Now if we run this command, composer install, this will install the proper dependency, so this will work. And now, as you can see, we have the vendor added to this folder, to our project. Yeah, so this means this will work now. Okay, now this is done. So just by changing the PHP version, this will make it work. Yeah, so if we refresh the browser now, these have been changed, but we got this error. So what we have to do, we have to replicate the .env file, because this is coming with the Laravel installation, but it's .example. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna open this folder in the code editor, which is Visual Studio in my case. So right click and open with code, and this will open. And here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open that file, which is .env.example, is this one. So open this one, and I will do let's see, okay, open and save as. I'll do save as and save it again in the same location. Yes, and but change the name, just delete all of the end. We have to delete the .text as well, so leave it as just .env. And now this should clean that 500 error. And if we refresh the page now, you can see this is working, except we need to create the app key, which is the Laravel provide a link button to do that. So just click on that button and refresh again the project, and this should work. So this is how you can fix this error by using Windows 10 and Wamp server. If you like this video, please give a like, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel.